Hari Om. Welcome to Aniruddha's Creative Learners. Today we are going to learn this logo design using Vector Ink app. Vector Ink app has very nice features which are similar to Adobe Illustrator. So let's start making the logo design. We can see this is a hummingbird. In this logo design, you can see the circles are used to make the tail, the body, the beak, and the wings. So let's start now. Let's make a new logo design. First, let's adjust the size of the document. Size, make it 1080 by 1080 so that we get more area to work on. Now let's activate the grid option. Select over here, toggle grid, and at the same time, so here we have kept 25. At the same time, in the snapping, we will activate the snap to grid option. Now, let's start making the logo design. First, take the circle from this tool. Select these two options and drag any circle. Then select the transform tool. Select this option and make the size 200. If this is not on, then only width becomes 200 and height becomes 132 or whatever. So we will make it 200 and lock it so that the proportion is not missed out. Now place it properly. Okay. Now we will make two more copies of this circle. We are making the body of the bird. Tap on this option. One more copy. See, because we have activated snap to grid, we can see the grid. And if we are going out of the way, it can show us. See, it is snapping. Snap. Okay. Now we are going to make one rectangle. So let us see the size of the rectangle. The height should be 100. So that is our target. So let us the size. Height is 100. Now we will make the beak of the bird. So select one circle, make one copy, bring the circle down. So this much area will be the beak of the bird. Now let us make a tail of the bird. So we can see the body will be this area, this will be beak, and we will make tail of the bird. One more copy of this. Okay. See, this will be the 1/4 area of the circle. So this 1/4 area will be the tail of the bird. So now let us use this shape builder tool. In this session tutorial, I want to explain few features about the shape builder tool. So there are many changes over the period of time in the shape builder tool. See, I am drawing one rectangle and another rectangle. Now, to use the shape builder tool, you have to select those shapes on which you want to use the shape builder tool. Now select them and then tap on the shape builder tool. So disable this, enable this. This is the join mode, this is erase mode. We use only these two, as well as if available we use this particular stylus. Okay, so we have selected these two squares. Now we want to cut out this area, so we will simply select this line join tool and drag on it. So it will form a particular shape, and it will get, when the shape is closed, it will get converted into blue color shape. So now this is the shape. If we tap on this particular icon, that much area only will remain. Okay, you can see, but the reference points will be lost. So what were the reference points? These two squares were the reference points. So I have found out another method of using shape builder tool in which reference points are not lost. In this, select these shapes, go to this option shape builder tool, select the area. Okay, first select this particular join mode, select the area which you want to make separate. If the area is closed, it gets converted into blue color. Then don't select this option, select this option and give it some color. So first it will show the color in a very haphazard manner, so just neglect it and then tap on this option. Select, wait, we will start it again. We have selected these two shapes, shape builder tool, line mode, this much area we want. We don't want to lose this. We don't want to lose this. If by mistake you have selected a line which is not necessary, tap on this option, erase option, and just tap on that. So with this, we apply this blue color and then okay, square, rectangle. So two rectangles we have selected. Select them, select on this shape builder tool, select this line join mode. Then these lines are joined to form a shape. Then select on this option, color, and then tap on this undo option. Okay, don't select any of these options, undo option, and as soon as you select the undo option, that particular shape gets separated from the remaining shape. I will show you again. If it is circle and we want this much area, okay, select, go to shape builder tool, join mode, this much area we have selected, then tap on this, tap on color and undo option. With undo we can see the reference points have not lost. At the same time we have got this shape separately available. So shape builder tool has worked. At the same time our reference points are also not lost. So now let's delete this Let's focus on this bird. First we will make the body of the bird. Select everything. Go to shape builder tool, join mode. This is not required. This particular area is also not required. Go straight, go straight here. So we can see gradually it's taking shape. So since this shape is not closed, it is not getting converted into blue. See, as soon as the shape got closed, it got converted into blue color. So this is a closed shape and we will use the same trick. We'll tap on this color and then undo. So with this undo option, we can see our bird's body shape is seen separately. Got it? So similarly, and here beak is also found. So now let's make the tail. Select everything. Okay. See, shape builder tool is getting locked sometimes, and even after tapping on this, sometimes it is not getting deselected. That time you tap on this and deselect the shape builder tool. So now let's select it. Go to shape builder tool, join mode, and then select this. Tap on this, undo. So we have got this particular shape for the tail. Now we will put it at exact location. Okay. Now we will keep these shapes aside. Now let's make the wings of this bird. For this we will increase the size of this particular circle. Go to size, make it 300. So here we are going to make, see, because snap to grid option is available, it snaps very nicely. So it is 300. Now let's make the wing. Okay, make one more copy. So keep the shape at this level. Make one more copy. So this much area will be used while making a wing. This much area will be erased. Sorry. Now make one more copy of this. So we are thinking of going like this, like this, like this. We want to form a curve line. It should be overlapping each other. Right. And we will use this shape. We will rotate it. Okay. Now we will use shape builder tool. This will be the wing. So let's select everything. Go to shape builder tool, Go to join mode. Now I will take the stylus and show you how it works. Okay, let's delete unwanted areas. So it is not closed shape. What are the problems? Here is the problem. And here is another problem. So as soon as the shape gets closed, it gets converted into blue color. Now let's apply color and undo. So the wing is separately seen. Now just give color to this wing. Now deselect. See, deselection is not helping. Use this and then use this. Okay, our reference points are also not lost, as well as we are able to use the shape builder tool. Now let's make another wing. Take one circle, make one more copy. Size, make it 400 now. Okay, so this wing we want to, okay, keep it like this. We will delete this to avoid confusion. Okay, so the wing will start from here. One more copy, move it like this. So this much is better. Now one more copy. This area we are going to use. And we will make a, we want a curve line. So this will form a curve line like this. So let us see it is overlapping or not. It's not overlapping. So it will not work properly if it is not overlapping, because it is vector app. So it has to be very accurate. Now it is overlapping. Now let's take this shape again. Make one more copy of this. Bring it over here. Up. Okay. Now let's use the shape builder tool. Select all these shapes. One more shape is not selected. Then select multiple option and select that shape. So we can see our wing. Oh, it got disturbed. Okay, we have selected the shapes. Use shape builder tool. Select the join mode. Erase mode and erase unwanted things. So it is not still closed. There is some problem somewhere. Let us see. Okay, we can see the problem is here. Select this. Now the shape is closed. Now use this color option, tap color and then undo. So our shape has got separated. Now color it properly and our bird logo design is ready. Okay, take one more circle, tap on these two options, reduce the size of the eye to 40, and make it white color. So 40 is looking big, let's make it little less, 30. Yes, perfect. Okay, make it white in color. Drag this transparency panel, bring it to white color. So it is white color. So let us see. And our bird logo design is ready. Thank you for watching Aniruddha's Creative Learners. Please subscribe the channel to get more interesting videos on Vector Ink app. Thank you for visiting. Hari Om Shri Ram Ambadnya Nath Samvit.